the art of nothing, no thing, Wu Qi. Embracing emptiness, a well, a yoni, a womb just before becoming impregnated, Wu Qi. Wow, something is coming out of nothing. It's a ball of energy. Something is coming out of nothing, a form, an animal form, the bear, spinning around itself like the big bear, Ursa Major, spinning around the North Pole, right between the first toe and the second toe, spinning around. While the bear is hibernating in the cave, there's storms happening on the outside. There's the tornadoes, there's the whirlpool, there's the hurricane. This is yin. Yin. Inside, inward. By this action, we are stabilizing the planet Earth. The North Pole, Polaris, and the axis of the Earth is wobbling right now. Because people are wobbling. We need to come back to our true nature. We went too far out of balance. That's why there is correction happening on the planet. It's called COVID-19. That's a correction. The culture went too far off the balance. We are stabilizing the planet Earth by keeping ourselves stable, steady. The inner emptiness, the inner quiet, the inner calm, the inner peace, keeping still within while there is movement without, all around. While the bear is hibernating, there's all kinds of things going around, but the bear is center, giving birth to 2 or 3 cubs. They come out of the cocoon in the springtime, out of the bear cave, hungry, 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 and they turn into butterfly, the butterfly form. Basically, it's a formless form. It has all the other forms in it. It has its own form also, sign of infinity. Sign of infinity. Bring the door to your heart. The heart will transform all energy into the one energy of love, joy, peace, stable, very consistent. 60 beat up to 120 beat per minute. figure 8, the butterfly form, can be vertical or horizontal. Now, anybody can just do this. Monkey see, monkey do. But it's very, very different when this form, which is basically empty and is charged with the breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. These forms, these movements are done with the frequency of the breath, which is 7 to 8 heartbeat to every full breath. And that is the frequency of the planet Earth, the frequency of the ground. When that frequency goes off, there's earthquakes happening. We're still trying to stabilize the planet. These are all the universal forces of nature through the animal form, butterfly, that includes all the other bugs also. Any one of these forms, animal forms, include the entire species of those animals. The butterfly form for the spring ends, becomes the lion form. The lion, the mouth of the lion, or actually holding your heart out there. The foot, it's lifted, it's a kick down, or very light, backward, the catwalk, the toes are landing, the catwalk. This was the bear, the yin, the cat is the opposite, it's yang, it goes outward, the yang movement, yang, yin. This is the only two things my instructor taught me for 7 years. All the yang and all the yin. The yang, the lion form for the summer, heart of the summer, heart of the lion. Be brave, just go forward. Lion has no fear. They'll run away from pain, but they have no fear. They'll run right into your shotgun. The catwalk, toes landing, toes coming down. The summer ends, fall begins, and the lion transforms into the dragon, my favorite animal. Very mystical, imaginary. Is it real? Of course it's real. It's imaginary, imagination. Have a wild imagination. Have lovely imagination. The dragon form. How is it that it appeared throughout the entire planet? Every culture has a dragon. The dragon form is twisting, grind down to the ground. That's when all the leaves fall to the ground, the energy of the trees goes to the earth, to the roots. Dragon, very sensuous, very twisty. Dragon form, dragon fly to the sky. Dragonfly to the sky becomes the eagle. Bold eagle, bold. You want some of this? Come and get it. You want some? bold. Eagle spread. All the eagle needs to do is open its wing and it flies. It's opening the sternum. All these forms have certain functions in the body, certain part of the body. The bear is the scapula is moving. The butterfly is the shoulder moving. You can do it while you're driving, just your shoulder doing the work. The shoulder is doing the figure 8. Your whole body opens and closes in the figure 8 shape. The butterfly has 2 sets of wings, 2 on top, 2 on the bottom, creating this particular movement. The knees open and close with the butterfly. With the lion, the body part is the hip, the lower back. It shoots up. It's the kick is coming from the hip, it's not coming from the leg. It's the hip that is, it's this kind of emotion, yes. Are these movements sexual? No, they're very sensual. It's the body part. Body is very, very sensuous. The dragon is very sensuous. The eagle, it's the chest pushing out, the breast. I had a girlfriend from Kansas. She was an ex-Marine. She used to say, walk into a room with your breast sticking out and look around, see who's watching you. Very brave. Brave. Eagle form is metal. Eagle, metal. The lungs. And this is the form that all Chinese government teach their generals, the military. The eagle form is open and black, but also it's a slap. The eagle for late winter, dragon for the fall, eagle for early winter. That's when they fly away. The eagle fly to the ground, to the bear cave, and becomes the bear again. The bear. The bear has also a hip movement. The dragon also has a kick. Dragon tail. A kick, kicking your butt. Can you kick your butt? Kick your butt. The dragon goes to the sky, becomes the eagle, goes to the ground, becomes the earth, goes to the ocean, to the sea, to the water, becomes the mermaid. Is mermaid real? Of course it's real. Vision, imagination, that's what all of this is all about. Imagining a beautiful world. The one that we're in touch with the earth, with the natural forces of the universe, through the animal form. Animals are very connected to the earth, to nature. We are not. We've been separated. These are within our own genetic makeup. These are the genes within ourselves. Can we affect the universe? Maybe, maybe not. But it won't hurt to try. Can we stabilize the planet Earth? Can we cool down the global warming? Maybe, maybe not. But it won't hurt. On the quantum level, small effort can create huge effect. How do we do that? How do we make small effort into huge? By thinking, by imagination, by visualization. Let your imagination run wild, but within the form, the animal form. The Qigong, the Wu Qi, the quantum, where nothingness becomes something. God is nothing. God is not a thing. Love is not a thing. Back to Wu Qi. Emptiness. Coming home. Heaven on Mother Earth. Huh? The Wu Qi is pregnant. The animal form, the human form. Thank you.